welcome to Marisastro, and tonight we are doing the opening, the unboxing of the subscription for Mindful Souls subscription box. I'm going to start right now. So it comes like this. The first thing we have here is the brochure that explains us about the elements we will find inside this box. I will start with the first one. Okay, like always, we have the sticker. This time is a tree. It says grow from the inside. So this month, this subscription box is number 9 and is all about healing and happiness. It's about the process of healing and becoming a better version of ourselves, because the idea is to do that, to find some happy moments, some happiness in our lives. Let's start. We have, as I show you, the sticker here is a tree. It's a symbol of growing and becoming bigger, but it's a process that starts from inside. The next thing we have is the guidance card with an affirmation. In this one, we can see a girl opening her chakras to the sun and the moon, and it says affirmation for happiness. I'm open to being happier than ever before. We start with this message. They send us as well this affirmation card holder. You can see here with the moon and the sun. It says mindfulsouls.com, and is to place the card here. So it will stand while we meditate with the rest of the elements. The next thing I can see inside the box is this Sacred Temple blend incense sticks. It doesn't say anything about the herbs or the aromas they have, but I can feel a very strong smell for Nagchapa for sure. So we have the incense. No, it's a very nice smell. I feel some jasmine. So what it says here is a nature's meditation incense. It's for calmness and self-love. Element air, chakra, heart. With a floral and herby blend, this incense is a symphony for our senses. At its heart, you'll find jasmine, a scent famous for opening the heart chakra and attracting feelings of joy. I'm lighting it so I can share with you. We have the incense, and now we are opening bag by bag. In this one, we have this nice. This is a chakra necklace for harmony and flow. It's very cute, very nice. I love it. It's handmade, as you can see. And it's for all the elements and all the chakras. I have to intention it and clean it, but I will hang it right now. I love it. It's so beautiful. Thank you very much. This crystal necklace is as powerful as it is beautiful. Harness its balancing properties to align your energy centers and clean any blockages. The next one is a sun catcher. No? Looks like. You see? I can see this agate. I see these beautiful crystals. It's very heavy, so it looks like it's wood. It's wood quality. This is my authentic opinion, and it's my authentic review of what I'm seeing. I can see that it's beautiful. And it says Agate Sun Catcher. It's for energy purposes. Element fire, chakra, solar plexus. This gorgeous piece, it's about to fill your life with excitement. Known for its radiant energy, yellow agate can help you overcome feelings of lethargy and refresh your sense of purpose. Of course, it's a sun catcher. It's very beautiful, and I'm gonna hang it right now. As soon as we finish here, This is going to my window. Very good. The next piece, ooh, this is heavy. Oh my god, this is heavy and big. What is here? Looks something worthy. Ooh, look at this rock. The size of this rock. It's about half a pound. This is a raw phoenix stone. Intentions: self-realization and release. Elements: water and earth. Chakra, throat and heart. Known as the compassion stone, this gem is a mix of 3 crystals: chrysocolla, malachite, and turquoise. Its energy invites you to release intense emotions like anger and fear. How to use it? Keep it close to you, especially during times of high stress or anxiety and when you are doing shadow work. So we have this. It's very nice, big, heavy, and I'm sure it's very powerful. It also looks a little bit fragile, so I couldn't put it in water because I don't think the hardness is more than 3 or 4. And you know what happens when we put a crystal in water that is not very hard. It will like dissolve. So I will find out how to clean it and how to program it, because it's really the first time I see this kind of blend in crystals. So I will let you know how it works after, okay? We have this phoenix stone. The next one, and I think it's the last one, we have another stone. Ooh, nice. Peach selenite stick. The intentions are for self-discovery and enlightenment. Element water, chakra crown, and it says, by vibrating at a high frequency, peach selenite is believed to connect you with your inner self and true path, especially when starting something new. So we need this stone, everybody, because with these transits, astrological transits we have now, especially with Neptune and Saturn in the sign of Aries, starting new beginnings for everybody in different astrological houses. But regarding of your sun sign or your ascendant, you have this conjunction in a house, in an area of your life that is being affected by these energies. So this stone is critical for this moment. We also have Uranus entering Gemini. At the end of June, we will have Jupiter entering the sign of Leo. So I think this is a good one for these times, especially for this year. 2026 is a year number 1, and the transits are transits that not everybody felt in their lives. We have the transits of Saturn and Neptune in conjunction. It haven't happened for a long time. The same thing with Uranus in Gemini. The last time Uranus was in Gemini was 85 years ago. So it's our first time to experience these new alignments. And it's good always to have some friends. So this one, I think I'm gonna carry it in my bag everywhere I go. I think it's a good one for these times. I don't see anything else here. So we have, again, the selenite stick here. We have the raw phoenix stone. We have the chakra necklace. Let's see if I can show it to you. Let me turn the light on, it's not working. Chakra necklace. After we have the incense sticks. Jasmine and herbal, it's very nice. We have the card holder with the sun and the moon, crystals in the back. We have this card, affirmation for happiness. We also have the yellow agate sun catcher, the sticker, and here we have the brochure And in the brochure, we have different kind of rituals. We have the healing and happiness, manifesting your dreams, part 2. This is Mindful Souls, box number 9. And it's the second part. If you remember the last video I made, I was explaining that the box I received, number 8, was Manifesting Your Dream Life, part 1. So this is the second box, is part 2, and it's related to healing and happiness. So we have all these elements, and it has a ritual with a level of difficulty, which is difficulty level 1. It's not very like extreme to do, and it's manifesting healing with gratitude. So what you need: journal and pen, peach Selenite stick, and nature's meditation incense. Instructions, the mindful tip, and in the back of the brochure we have another ritual, and it's about that you can do it in your sleep. It talks about the way to manifest self-discovery and emotional healing in a depth and immersive dream ritual. The level of difficulty is 4. It's not very easy because we have to use more energy in this ritual, and it's during dreaming and sleeping, and you need your peach Selenite stick. I recommend you to get this so you can have the ritual. Let me know if you want me to share it with you. And besides that, the last thing the brochure says is about next month, what we will receive in the following box, which for me is going to be number 10. Our manifesting series is coming to a close, and we've saved the best for the last. It says that it is about unconditional love, deep connections, and lots of passion. Then our next box is a must-have, and let's be real. Stay tuned. We will be unveiling the secrets to help you manifest the love life of your dreams. I will receive a box related to love and connections and passion. So I can't wait for it, but now I will intention and use these new elements I receive for my meditations. And the message of this box is: you will bloom if you take the time to water yourself. So stay tuned and see you in the next unboxing. Bye!